Y, y, y. Y is for yacht. Y, y, yacht.
What kind of yacht is this?
A sail yacht. It looks like a racing yacht. What's the left of the boat called?
Port.
Port. What's the right of the boat called?
Starboard.
Starboard. And the back?
Stern.
Stern. And the front?
Bow.
Bow. Driving the same boat. See that knife ring on the back?
Yes, that's in case you fall into the water. But he was actually steering the boat. That's called the helm.
How?
This is not a sailing yacht. What kind of yacht is it?
This is a motor yacht. Look at all those yachts parked.
Yes, a yacht park is called a marina.
Why, yeah. Why is for yachts? Yacht.
Y, y, y. Y is for yellow. Y, y, yellow.
Here's a yellow sun.
Yes, that's our sun, and it appears yellow in the sky. These are autumn leaves that have fallen from the trees.
Autumn leaves that are yellow.
That's right, these ones are yellow, but sometimes they could be orange or red as well.
The yellow fish is eating.
This is a tropical fish called a yellow tang. You often see them in aquariums or fish tanks because of their lovely bright yellow color.
Here's yellow bananas. I like bananas. Yellow sunflowers. A yellow school bus.
That's a school bus in America, looks like.
Yellow construction vehicles. Excavator. Front loader and bulldozer. Y, yeah. Y is for yellow. Yellow.
Y, y, y. Y is for yo-yo. Y, yo-yo.
What's that, yo-yo?
That's a type of yo-yo called a spinner. You see, it can spin on the end of its rope, not just bob up and down. It's very good for doing tricks. Is he going to do a trick? Let's see. Oh, it looks like he's going to catch the yo-yo and let it spin between his fingers.
What's he doing with the yo-yo?
He's making it land on the string and then it will spin there and he can move it up and down.
Why, yeah. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo.
Y, y, y. Y is for yogurt. Y, yogurt.
What's this person doing?
Eating some yogurt.
Well, taking the foil off the yogurt pot to eat the yogurt. What's this lady doing?
Buying some yogurt from the shop.
And you can have yogurt with your cereal like muesli and strawberries. Yes, that's right. Yogurt is really nice with fruit. Can you name these fruits?
Raspberries and blackberries and blueberries. That's a baby eating one. The baby is licking the yogurt off the cup.
Yes, she's making a bit of a mess. Looks like she likes it though.
What? Yeah. Y is for yogurt. Yeah, yogurt.